Okay, sir. Thank you. Hello, everyone. Good evening. Welcome to our platform, Dhruvika Academy. Hope you all are doing great. So, first, do confirm me my voice is clearly audible or not. Give me the confirmation, everyone, and share the live session with others as well, so they will also get the benefit of this class. This is our series where we are going to cover the most important topmost questions of your quant and reasoning. Other subjects classes are also going on for the same top 500 questions we are going to cover for your PGCET 2025, and that is our target that we will definitely achieve. Okay, so guys, let me know. I'm just going to check it. Wait. Okay, so it's audible now. Yeah, I can see it. Okay, fine. Everything is clear. Wait. So in the chat box, everything must be okay. Fine. So in the chat box, everyone should be proactive. Please do confirm me voice is clear or not. I'm going to cover today what we are going to start with the one of the most important topic of your quantitative aptitude. So I welcome you all on Dhruvika Academy, right? Platform where you will get the best classes, best preparation for your PGCET 2024. So this is our initiative, right? This is Dhruvika Academy's initiative where we are going to cover top 500 questions of each subject on YouTube channel, only on Dhruvika Academy's YouTube channel. So hope you all are doing great, guys. This is your mentor Mayank Dubey, and I'll be taking your quantitative aptitude and reasoning classes. So let's start. Before starting the session, I will just request you, if you have not joined our WhatsApp group or Telegram group, you can join that, because there you will get the latest update regarding your exam. Okay, so let's start with the session. If you're new to the session, do subscribe it, right? Other things I'll discuss at the end regarding your preparation. So let's start with today's topic, percentage. Our today's topic is what? We are going to talk about percentage, which is one of the most important topic for your PGCET 2025. Any exam, if you will look out, percentage plays an important role. So first I will introduce you with the type of questions which we will see in percentage chapter. Type of question, what kind of question we are going to see. Simplification based questions are there, comparison based, expenditure consumption on examination, right? Salary based, election based, population based. These are the most repeated patterns actually. So I have just segregated this for your better understanding. So these are the types, these many types of percentage questions can come in your exam, right? So let's start with first question. Are you ready for the quiz? First, I will give you 1 minute for the solution. You will try your best to solve this question. Okay, we are starting from the scratch and will cover till the higher level. Difficulty level will be higher, right? When the classes will come now, when I will conduct the next class, then I will bring some different kind of questions. So let's start with the first question of today's session, which is from percentage chapter. A number after increasing by 25% becomes 800. Find the number. Your time starts now. Do it fast. I have given you enough time for this kind of question. A very basic question it is. A number after increasing, because fundamentals are very, very important. Just try to understand my words. Whenever you are covering any topic now in your quantitative aptitude reasoning, the fundamentals are very, very important, and that you must know. If you know that, you can solve any kind of question. So this is all about what? Basic understanding and the fundamentals. So first question we are starting for just boosting your fundamentals. So anyone, and if you really want to secure the good ranking, top ranking, then you need to be proactive as well. You have to try. It doesn't matter, right, whether your answer is correct, your answers are correct or not, but efforts must be there now from your end. So 640 by Meghna. I can see the answers from Meghna. Okay. Meghna answers 640. Great. Anyone else? Okay, so time is over. Let's solve this. What is given? A number after increasing by 25%. So just increase the number. Number is 100% for itself. What is given? 25% of that number. So 25% of that number, when you will increase in that number itself, so number which you are getting is 800. This is what given. So when you will take the sum, x is 100% for itself. 100 plus 25%, you will get 125% of x, which is equal to 800. So x is equal to 800 divided by 125. When you remove percentage sign, 100 will be multiplied by 25. You can cancel 5 times, 4 times by 5. 5 ones are 5, then 3 is there, 5 6 are 30, 160 multiply 4, 640. So is there any smart approach to get the answer? You can also ask me the smart approach, that also I will tell you. Any other approach? This is the fundamental method which we used. The method which you can use for getting the answer in just some seconds is option method. Just increase each numbers 25%. They are saying a number after increasing by 25%. So 25% means 1/4, half of the half. So half of 600, 300, half of 300, 150. So you are getting 750. But the number which you are getting is 800. Now 640 is this next option. Half of 640 is 320 and half of 320 is 160. So just add 160 in 640. Are you getting your answer? Yes. So that is why this is the answer. I hope you guys are understanding. Okay, so let's move on to the next, and I want to see your participation in the chat box. Okay, do this one. If 1500 is decreased by 25%, then find the new number. Same kind of question it is, and I'll be expecting your participation and answers. 30 seconds are left. Do it fast. Okay, so last 15 seconds. Anyone who can answer this? Okay, time is over. Let's see the solution now, guys. A very simple percentage is nothing. It's just a distribution of any number, right? Into what? Each number is 100%, so 100 equal parts, you can say. So every number is 100% for itself. Like that, you need to think. If 1500 is decreased by 25%, so 1500 is 100% for itself. So we are decreasing it by 25%. So you can say just subtract the 25% of 1500. How much? 25% of 1500. Right? My voice is clearly audible or not? So Meghna is answering 1125. Let's see whether the answer of Meghna is correct or not. Very good. Very good attempt, Meghna. So 1500 minus 25% means 1/4 of 1500. Just cancelled by 4. 4 3s are 12. Then 3 4 7s are 25, 28. Then 2 4 5s are 20. 375. So 1500 minus 375, you will get 1125. I hope this is clear to all of you. How we got this? We just subtracted 25%, and that is what they were asking, right? So this is the answer, and Meghna's answer is absolutely correct. What about others, guys? Why I am unable to see the answers? This is the most important thing. When we are solving something, now you must try yourself, right? Best. Okay. So the next question is based on simplification. Evaluate 28% of 400 plus 36% of 450. What I'm saying, 28% of 400 plus 36% of 450. So I'm starting the timer. 28% of 400 plus 36% of 450. How you are going to do it? A simple thing is given, very basic calculation I am asking from you all. Last 40 seconds are left. Just wait, guys. Wait for a second. What is the answer of this question? My voice is clearly audible or not? There is some background noise as well, right? Background sound is as well. So that's why I'm asking you. My voice is clearly audible. Is that clear? Please confirm me. Okay. Fine. So, what you need to do in this question particularly, 28% of 400. So, 28% you need to calculate 28 by 100, multiply 400 plus 36% of 450. So, just convert this into fraction, 36 by 100, multiply. Okay, fine. Because there is some background noise as well, na? So that's why. 36 by 100. Thank you for the confirmation. 450. 0 to 0 cancel, right? Now by 2 you can cancel this 5 times, this by 36 by 18 times. So 18 by 5, by 5 you can cancel this 45 9 times. Now 18 into 9, you will get how much? 162. Then 0 to 0 here cancel, 28 into 4. So 28 4s are how much? 112. So you will get 274. So answer is going to be 274 of this question. So Meghna, I hope you get it. Understood? Okay, so I'm moving on to the next question now. Do this one. A simplification based question. Evaluate 16.66% of 33.33% of 567. And your options are 63, 31.5, 95, none of these. Tell me fast. And here the things are very, very important, which you will get, right? The things which are very, very important. If you are, right, able to solve these kind of questions, you are on right track. But if you are unable to do it, then you need the proper training, proper assessment, right? Proper mentorship, which you will get on our platform, right? So that I will discuss at the end. First, try to solve this. Just check your level. Are you fully prepared for PGCET 2025? So okay, so time is over, guys. Let's see the answers. Now see, in percentage, what is most important? See, basic fundamentals are very, very important. That is fine. Here we are solving the straight away questions. We have not covered the basic concepts. So if you want to prepare yourself from the basic concepts, right, from the scratch, then you must join the batches, right? That I will discuss at the end at affordable prices, where we will discuss everything from the scratch, right? So 16.66% now of 33.33% of 567. How to do it? How to do such kind of question? So the thing is, you must know percentage to fraction conversion, right? So percentage value 16.66% in fraction is 1 by 6. That you need to remember. There are some percentage to fraction conversion. 1 by 1 to 1 by 25. You have to remember directly straight away. 1 by 1 means 100%. 1 by 2 means 50%. 1 by 3 means 33.33%. 1 by 4 means 25%. 1 by 5 like that percentage value. So 16.66 means 1 by 6. 33.33% means 1 by 3. So it will help you a lot in your calculation. Now I can replace in the question 16.66% of 33.33% of 567 is given now. So 16.66 means 1 by 6 multiply 33.33 1 by 3 multiply 567. 6 into 3 18. 567 divided by 18. 18 threes are 54, right? Then 2 is there, 18 ones are 18, 9 is there, 9 by 18 means 0.5. 31.5 is the correct answer of this question particularly. Let's move on to the next. Now the next question is here. You have 1 minute for it. Do it fast. 2/5 of a number is 13 more than 1/3 of the number. What is the number? 2/3 of the number is 13 more than 1/3 of the number. What is the number? Meghna, did you understand the previous one? If anyone is facing any kind of doubt, right, or issue, you can ask me straight away. So time is over, guys. 2/5 of a number is 13. What is written? Whenever you are solving the problem, your approach, your fundamentals, and your reading ability. When you are reading the question, you must understand what actually the question is trying to say. Then only you can solve. Now, so 2/5 of a number. So just imagine the number is x. So 2/5 of x is 13 more than 1/3 of x. If I say, just try to understand, a is 13 more than b. So can I say a is 13 more than b plus 13 is equal to a? So you will say yes. Similarly, 2/5 of the number is 13 more than 1/3 of the same number. So that number is what? X. So 1/3 of x plus 13 if I will do. These both will be equal or not? Their difference is given. 2/5 of x and 1/3 of x. Their difference is 13. This is what given in the question itself. So 2/5 of x minus 1/3 of x is equal to 13. Now just take the LCM. You will get 15. 3 2s are 6. 5 1s are after taking the LCM. Right? And outside the bracket I am keeping x. 13. 13 into 15. 15 3s are. So you will say 45. 5 4 carry. 15 ones are 15 plus 4. 19. 195. 6 minus 5 1. So x. So the number which you will get here is x. And these are very what I'm saying, basic level questions. So see, you can check your level from here as well. What training you need? The best one, if you need, you have enough time for your preparation. You need proper assessment, you need proper training, right? Guidance, mentorship, which you will get only on our platform, right? Where we guide the students from the scratch, right? We just provide them personalized mentorship, right? Because each student's understanding is different now. I can't say the understanding of A is same as B. B's understanding will be different. So student to student things varies. And right, that is the most important thing where we work out on particular student and their understandings. Okay. So if the difference between 60%, okay, first solve this. I forgot that I need to give you chance to solve this. If the difference between 60% of a number and 2/5 of the same number is 40, same kind of question it is. Okay. Last 30 seconds. Tell me, guys. I just want your participation. At least you must try now. Share your answers. Share your understanding. What you think about the question. If the difference between 60% of a number and 2/5 of the same number they are talking about is 40, find out that number. A very simple question. Tell me, everyone. So if the difference between 60%, okay, time is over. 60% of a number. So just imagine that the number is equal to x. So what they have said, that only I'm going to write. So the art is what? Problem solving is also an art. And there you need to extract the data first. So how we will extract the data, that is also an art, and that is what you need to learn if you want to be a good problem solver. Okay, so if the difference between 60% of a number, 60% of x, and 2/5 difference na, so 60% of x minus 2/5 of x is equal to 40. This is what given. Now the problem resolved. 2/5. One thing you have to do, either you will convert percentage value into fraction or fraction value into percentage. So 60% is how much? So that you need to remember, it's 3/5. If you don't remember, then you need to divide 60 by 100. So when you will cancel it by 20, you will get 3/5. So 3/5 of x minus 2/5 of x is equal to 40. Take the LCM. LCM would be 5. Now 3x minus 2x is equal to 40. So x will be equal to 40 into 5, 200. I'm covering each and every step for your better understanding. Otherwise, this is a question which you can solve without using pen and paper. How you can solve? See, 2/5. If you will remember the fractions now, fraction to percentage conversion is very, very important. So if you directly remember the fraction values, how much that would be in the percentage. So 2/5 is equal to 40%. If you remember that, that would be great. 1/5 is 20, then 2/5 will be 40. Hope you are getting it. 3/5 will be 60. 4/5 will be 80. 4 times of 1/5. Right? So 60% directly you can do. 60%, 2/5 means 40%. 60% minus 40%. So you will get 20% of that number, and that is 40, the difference. So 20% is 40, then 10% would be what? 20, just half. And 100% would be 200. Directly I have solved. 10% multiply 10, you will get 100%. That is what you need to do. So smart approaches also needed. Basic concepts are needed. The logic building and problem solver. You need to be a good problem solver. That skill is required if you want to get the success in your goals, right, in your exam, whatever you are targeting now in that particular path. So the next question is, if 40% of Rohan's salary is 2000, then find out 60% of the salary, 12.5% of the salary, 6.25% of the salary, 11.11% of the salary. Now you people must be wondering about what the calculation. It will be linear. That is what I'm trying to say. In the exam, not only fundamentals and approach matters, the calculation also matters. You must be right. You must be good in your calculation as well. So that grip is also needed. That will right. Okay, so that will be explained by me. First, I'm giving the chance to you all. At least one value. Tell me the 60% of Rohan's salary. 40% of Rohan's salary is given, and they are asking you 60%, 12.5, 6.25, 11.11. What would be the answer? Okay, so time is over. Let's see. So what is given? 40% of 2000 salary, sorry, 40% of the salary is given, which is 2000. Now they are asking you 60% of the salary. I can directly also do it. 40% to 60%. How much extra I need to increase? Only what? 20% more. And 20% is half of 40%. So it would be 3000. But that approach, right, will be clear to you when you will have a good grip. Meghna said 11.11. Okay. So 11.11 would be how much, Meghna? Tell me. See, 40% of 2000. I will tell you from the scratch because understanding is very, very important. Then we can go for the direct things now. So, sorry, 40% of the salary. Salary I assumed X. 40% of X is equal to 2000. 40% in fraction is 2 by 5. See, if you remember, fraction to percentage conversions, important ones, how easy it is, right? The problem solving becomes very easy for you. 40% I directly replaced by 2 by 5, right? I'm replacing it by what? 2 by 5. 2 by 5 of X is equal to 2000. X is equal to, why I'm calculating this, that I will tell you. 5 by 2. When you will just transfer this in this side now, by 2 when you will cancel, 1000. 1000 into 5, your answer would be 5000. No, it's the salary. Why I am calculating the salary? Because whatever they are asking in the right questions now, 60%, 12, that is of the salary. So first I know the salary now. They have given me 40% of the salary. So now I have that salary. 40% of Rohan's salary is 2000. So I calculated the salary, which is X, 5000. Now 60% of 5000. See, I am telling you the calculation trick also, which is right the most important thing. Whenever you want to calculate any numbers 10%, just divide that number by 10. Okay. So if I say 10% of 5000, that would be 500 or not. So I can just do it in this way, 10%. I know. Now if I want to reach out on 60%, how I can? 10% multiply 60. So here 10% of 5000 would be 500. Multiply 6, directly 3000. Without using pen and paper, you can solve. If I will ask you guys one thing, 30% suppose you need to calculate of any number. So what you will do? Tell me. So you will say, sir, 500 is given. Suppose we need to calculate 30% of 500. So you will say, sir, 10% would be 50. We will divide it by 10. So 10% we have now. Now 30% is thrice of 10. 50 into 3, 150. I hope you guys are understanding how we can easily calculate. So 60% we calculated, 3000. 12.5% if you want to calculate, that is how much in the fraction? 12.5% means 1 by 8. Write down one thing which is very, very important. You have to remember 1 by 1 to 1 by 25. All the fractions to percentage conversion. Directly you have to remember. This is very, very important. If I say 1 by 20, then you can say, sir, it's 5%. Or if I say 5%, you can say 1 by 20. Similarly, if 12.5 is given, so 12.5% is actually 1 by 8. So I will divide 5000 by 8. Right? So 8 to 6 are, so you will say, sir, 48, then 2 is there. 8, right? 2s are 16, then 4. 8 5s are, so you got 625. And 12.5% calculated. Half of 12.5% is 6.25. So half of 625 will be 312.5. I hope you guys are getting the concept. Is this clear? 11.11% if you are going to calculate through percentage method, then it will be critical now. It is in decimal. Directly, what is the fraction value of 11.11? That is 1 by 9. So you just need to divide 5000 divided by 9. 9 5s are 45, then 5 is there, 50. 9 5s are 45, then 50, 50. 9 5s are, so 555.5 is the 11.11% of the salary. And I hope you guys are understanding the concept. Please proactive in the chat box and do let me know if you have any query. Okay, so another question, the last question of today's session, then I will give you some homework. A's salary is 25% more than B's salary. By what percent is the B's salary less than A's salary? We'll continue percentage chapter question in next session as well, right? I will bring some more questions. Last 20 seconds. Okay, 8, 7, 6, last 5 seconds are left. Anyone with any answer? A very important type it is. See, whatever we are covering, that is all about your fundamentals, right? You can check yourself where you are exactly, right? So A's salary, today we are not solving that much difficult questions. We are solving fundamental based questions, which are fundamentally very, very important for you all for building your concepts of percentage. A's salary is 25% more than B's salary. So what they have given us? A's salary is 25% more than B's salary. Then B's salary is how much percent less than A's? That is what they are asking. So what are the answers of this question? So you will say A's salary is 25% more. A's salary is 25% more than B's salary. Then tell me how much percent less? So A's salary is 25% more than B's. Then by what percent B's salary? B's salary is less than A's. So you will say, sir, 25 only. Now, if A's salary is 25% more, then B's salary 25% less than A. No, it is not like that. Just assume they have not given us any salary. A's salary is 100 rupees. Sorry, B's salary. So A's salary is 25% more than that. So 25% of 100 would be 25. So just add 25, you will get 125. So 125 would be the salary of A. Clear? A's salary is 125, B's salary is 100 rupees. This is clear to you. For 100, their gap is going to be what? If A's salary is 125 now and B's salary is 100 rupees. So you will say, sir, their difference is going to be 25 rupees. That is the difference. So if I say A is how much more than B? So you will say 25 rupees. And for 100, for B, 25 is 25%. But if I say B is how much less than A? So you will say in difference it is 25, sir. But 25, that 25 rupees is not 25% for 125. I need to check it from A's side now. For 125, 25 would be what? So you will say 25 divided by 125 A's salary. So it is coming 1 by 5 means 20% less. I hope you are getting. B's value was 100. So for 100, 25 is 25%. Getting my point? But if I will compare 25 with 125, so for 125, 25 is not 25%. Just compare. So when you compare, you are getting 20%. So answer would be 20%. I have not told you the formula here. Unnecessarily, we are not going to use unnecessary formulas. We will work out on the basic concept, logics, fundamentals, and by that we can easily solve. In books, you will find the formula for this like this: R upon 100 plus R multiply 100%. But how this formula works, that I explained you here. How you can compare. So I hope in today's session you understood each and everything very well. This is a homework question, just note it and tell me the answer. You can share your answer in the comment box after the solution. I will reply, right, whether the answer is correct or not for each answer, each student's answer. Okay, so thank you so much, guys. I hope in today's session you understood each and everything very well. Now you have checked yourself where you are. So if you are looking for better preparation, you are facing difficulty in quantitative aptitude, reasoning, English, GK, right? Computer awareness is also there. Then Dhruvika Academy is the best platform for you all. you can download our app from the Play Store, right? The link is given in the description box. If you have any query, you can ask me in the chat box. Also, you can join us on our WhatsApp group, Telegram group. Link is given in the description box. So there you will get the latest updates regarding your PGCET 2025. Okay. So now, if you really want to crack, if you really want to score higher in your PGCET 2025, then, right, this is the correct platform, as I said, and we have launched the right batches, 2 batches at very affordable prices: MBA batch, MCA batch. So MCA batch fees is 3,500, which is very affordable, because what we are offering, you can see here, live classes, recorded classes will be available in case if you are unable to watch the session, right? Then you can watch the recorded ones. Separate doubt sessions are there. Separate doubt sessions only. No, personalized mentorship is also there, where you can contact your mentor anytime. You can share your doubts. They will definitely reply, right? They will guide you. And study material, weekly test every week, whatever in the classes we have covered, you will get the test based on that, because it is very important to analyze how much you have prepared yourself. Are you on right track? You are practicing well or not? So you can judge. So that is why it is planned weekly test series is there, which is one of the most important part to check your preparation. Access till exams, right? 1 year access is there. So till your selection, we are with you until your selections. So mentorship, I already mentioned, right? Mentors are very, very dedicated, right? They are with you every time. You can share your doubts, you can share your problem. If you are unable to focus even, so you can share your problems with them. You are unable to focus, what schedule should be followed, so they will, right, guide you for the schedule as well. Now, expert teachers, these are the things which we are offering, cannot be possible without expertise, right? So the top educators of PGCET are only available on our platform. So if you really want to join the batch, if you really want to secure the top rankings, our target is what? 85 plus, which is a good, not best, right, score you can say. If you will achieve near 85 something now, then you definitely will get the top most colleges, and that is our plan this year, right? So accordingly we are planning. So if you want to get the admission, if you want to join, then join now. Contact us on 6361949484. This is our number where you can directly contact and clarify your queries if you have any. So we'll see you guys in the next session. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Till we'll see you in upcoming session. Till then, keep learning and keep shining like a star. Thank you so much.